Testimony today in the Michael Jackson wrongful death trial. Jackson's makeup artist talked about Jackson's drug use, and there were questions from the defense about what she did to get him some help. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez has the latest testimony.
In the courtroom, dueling attorneys showed jurors two versions of this 1999 clip of Michael Jackson in concert. Attorneys for Katherine Jackson assert that the mishap you see here injured the artist's back and sent him into a cycle of dependency on painkillers. The video ends as Jackson's platform hits the orchestra pit. But now, a longer view. The defense attorney for AEG shows what happened later. Jackson, never flinching, finishes the song. Among the questions for the jury in this case, how much did AEG managers know about Jackson's early abuse of meds, and were they negligent 10 years later for hiring a doctor who secretly administered to Jackson a surgical sedative which caused Jackson's death? Testifying today, Karen Faye, Jackson's makeup artist. She described how his health changed over 27 years, that his legs, once muscular, were thin, his face skeletal, that Jackson was not strong enough for the rigorous concert schedule set by AEG. She recounted an alarming moment with Jackson's costume designer who was fitting him. She testified he said to her, "Oh my God, I could see Michael's heart beating through his skin." The response, she says, she overheard from Jackson's manager, Frank DeLeo, "Get him a bucket of chicken." Faye wept. Quote, "It was such a cold response. It broke my heart." Faye recounted multiple incidents that alarmed her about Jackson's use of painkillers, from the time he was burned during a Pepsi commercial, to the stress of his criminal trial on molestation charges, to the day at rehearsal before he died. Yet under cross-examination, Faye said she had never had a single conversation with Jackson about his drug use, and that there was a period of time after Jackson went through rehab in 1993 that he seemed to be fine. She said she had one discussion with Jackson family members who wanted to get him help, but that Jackson would not cooperate. Testimony resumes Monday with a staffer who worked on Jackson's final production and the coroner who conducted his autopsy. Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.